Give reason. Alcohol, phenol, and ether. Give reason why phenol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol. Phenol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol. In ethyl alcohol, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, and in phenol, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Ethyl alcohol is attached to OH group which is attached in ethyl alcohol. OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, and in phenol OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Therefore, due to higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon atom in phenol, higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon atom, electron density of oxygen decreases. As there is higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon atom in phenol, electron density of oxygen in phenol decreases, and hence as the electron density of oxygen decreases, there is increase in polarity of OH bond. As the electron density of oxygen decreases, the polarity of the OH bond, त्या बॉन्डची polarity increase होते. This results in more ionization of phenols than of alcohols. As the polarity of a OH bond is increased, there is more ionization. Due to increase in polarity, there is more ionization of phenols than alcohols. पुढे मग हे रिॲक्शन दोन की इकडनं इथे चार्ज कसा गेला ते. Electron donating inductive effect, that is plus I effect of alkyl group destabilizes alkoxide ion. Electron donating inductive effect of alkyl group destabilizes alkoxide ion. In alkoxide ion, negative charge is localized in oxygen and delocalized in phenoxide ion. In alkoxide ion, as electron donating inductive effect destabilizes alkoxide ion, this effect affects the alkoxide ion in following form. Negative charge is localized in oxygen and delocalized in phenoxide ion. Localized in oxygen and delocalized in phenoxide ion. आणि मग आता पुढे delocalization of charge in phenol. Resonating structures. Delocalization of charge in phenol and the resonating structures have charge separation. Resonating structures have charge separations, due to which phenol molecule is less stable than phenoxide ion. Phenol molecule is less stable than phenoxide ion. This results in less stability. Therefore, phenol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol.